Hello everyone and welcome to our first lesson on Microsoft Excel. In this video, you will all learn what Excel is, what it is used for, and how to move around its window. By the end of this video, you will be able to enter data and format it neatly. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It allows us to enter numbers, text, and formulas to calculate and organize data. People use Excel to prepare results sheets, manage budgets, and analyze information. A spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns that form small boxes called cells. Each cell can hold text, a number, or a formula. Let's look around the Excel window. At the top, you have the title bar. Here, it is named Book 1. This is to tell you that in an Excel package, it consists of different spreadsheets, which means that a workbook is a combination or a collection of two or more worksheets or spreadsheets. It is either you call it worksheet or spreadsheet. After the title bar, we have the ribbon, which we can also call the menu ribbon or menu bar, which includes the home tab. This is the home tab. It is where we have several formatting menus. We have the font format, the font group, we have the alignment group, we have the number group, we have the conditional formatting, and the rest of it. Now, insert tab, this is where we have different groups also. We have the illustration group, we have the charts group, then we have the page layout group, the page layout tab, we have the formula tab, we have the data tab, we have the review tab, we have the view tab, we have the developer tab. So this file tab here is used for other options like to save as, and some other advanced features. Now let's move on. Let's enter some data. Before we go on to enter some data, we have to know that this is a cell. For example, I'm on cell B2. This is the reference name here, B2. It is highlighted here. Can you see? B2. This is the reference cell or name box. Is called name box or cell or reference cell. So this is D4. This is cell D4. This is cell D6. When we are talking about range, this is a range. The highlighted parts of this worksheet is a range. Beneath here, we have the it is called sheet 1. This is a sheet. So we can add more by clicking this plus sign here. So you can see we have worksheet 2. So we are on worksheet 2. This worksheet 1. We are now on worksheet 1. Now let's enter some data. Let us enter some data. So to expand a column also, come between the alphabets here at the column as the column header, drag it once the plus sign has been seen. Drag it sideways, either to the right or to the left. So to expand, drag it to the right. That should be clear enough. So let's enter some data. Under the formatting tab, you can center a particular cell. Two or more cells can become one. Let's do an example. Drag this. Let's drag it. Cell B1 to D1. Let's merge and center. Come here. Merge and center. Can you see it becomes one? then we can write something here. Student data. Student score. So from there we can bold it. Okay, we have to be on this bold. Then this one is the alignment. If you want to move it to the left, place it at center. Now so let's add some data. Student's name. You can see this cell B3. The text is extending to cell C3. So to do that, we can just highlight it. We can highlight it. If you want, you can come here, come to format, then you okay. Okay, format, click on auto fit column width. Can you see that's gone? Then score, let's say mathematics subject. Let's expand that cell also. Just click on it, then come to format, auto fit column. Then let's come here and just write English. Now let's write some names. Let's this name. Let's make it capital letter. Enter. Noah, Deborah. Um, let's give some names. Let's stop there. So let's come here and write total. Let's give it a border. Okay, then let's center this. Let's center this total. Let's move out of the box. Now let's center it. Let's broaden it. Control B. Now you can increase the size, font size, can change the font style here, can change the font style here, can increase this font size here. So here we can give it score. Let's give some score like this. Let's say over 30. Let's say it is a test score over 30. 25. Enter. Let's say 20. Let's say 10. Let's say 15. Let's say 12. Let's say 30. A perfect mark. Now for English, let's come here. Let's say 15. Let's say 25. Let's say 20. 10. 22. And 25. And so we are done entering the data. If you look closely, you see that text are at the left side. They are placed at the left side, while numbers are placed at the right side of the cell. That's how data is being formatted. Although you can bring them to the center, you can bring it to the center by just highlighting, then you format. Let's do some sample here. I think it should be this. can bring it to the center, can also bring this to the center. These are some. Automatically it will be at the right side of the cell. That's how Excel format it and save. So let's leave it for now. So let's save. Then in our next video we will go into the use of formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. So before we round up this video, before we call it a wrap, so I believe you understand how to format data neatly in Excel, how to enter data, how to expand cell, how to merge and center three or more cells in Excel. So then the next thing is to save our workbook. You can see that this workbook consists of 2 sheets. We can delete it by just right clicking on a certain cell. Can you see? So you can rename it, you can delete, you can insert a new cell. So many options you can play with. This is what we just did. Let's save it. Let's give it as intro to Excel. Save. And you see the workbook name has changed to intro to Excel. So the name of the application is Excel. So this is the workbook name, consisting of 2 or more sheets. So you can change this to entering of data. So you can rename it data entry and formatting. Okay, it will not entry and format. Let's make it simple. Data entry for to make it short and concise. Data entry. So all we just did here in this video is data entry. In our next video, we'll talk about using of formula and functions, some basic function in Excel. Thank you for watching.